introduce our second run-up tonight.
Your faith was strong, but you need the proof. You saw her belly on the road, her beauty on the moonlight. It's a rocket! Shuti nufatanye tubyumve kimerera kwiye ibibazo byose twibaza mu mitima Imana ibifitiye ibisubizo.
Rise and shine, Lord. Rise and shine, Lord.
I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God.
Rise and shine, Lord. Rise and shine. Rise and shine, Lord. Rise and shine, Lord. Hello. Rise and shine, Lord. Rise and shine. Rise and shine.
Rise and shine, Lord.